Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will share with you how to set up email forwarders in SiteGround. First, visit siteground.com website, then click on Login, fill in your login credentials and hit Login again. Now, click on Websites from the top, and next to your website, you have an SiteGround email account on. Click on Site Tools, then click on Email and select Forwarders. As you can see, use forwarders to easily redirect emails from one mailbox to another. And to start forwarding or redirecting email messages to another address, fill in your SiteGround email account here. In my case, it's Ben. By the way, you should have an email account with SiteGround to start forwarding emails. If you don't have one, just go back to the accounts below email and create a new email account. If you don't know how to do it, look for a tutorial. I've already made it on YouTube. Now let's go back to the forward page. My email is Ben, and messages sent to ben at benstutorial.com will be forwarded to Ben's testing address at gmail.com. Now click on this create button. As you can see, forward rule for ben at benstutorial.com is created. Now what should happen? I will send an email message to this email address. Let's copy it. I am now on another Gmail account. I will send a message to ben at benstutorial.com. This message was sent to ben at benstutorial.com. Now I will fill in, hi, I am Ben. Click on send, message sent. Now this message was sent to this email address. Before I continue this video, I want to let you know that you can get access to my online course called SiteGround Shared Hosting Explained today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with SiteGround, how to set up your website, how to make your WordPress or website in general secure inside SiteGround, also how to optimize your website speed and performance, how to manage files and database inside SiteGround, how to set up email, how to manage your domains and DNS, advanced tools, e-commerce setup, SEO and analytics, and also how to manage your SiteGround account and contact support. You can get all of this for free today, plus my other courses on the same platform, which are courses about other web hosting providers or other tools like this Canva tools, MailChimp, Squarespace, and let's see the page number 2. Google Search Console, Hostinger Website Builder, Bluehost, HostGator, Namecheap. To get all of this today for free, simply go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our video. This message was sent to this email address, which is this one, and it should be forwarded to this Gmail account, benstestingaddress@gmail.com. And this is this Gmail email address, benstestingaddress@gmail.com. And if you look here at the spam folder, you will see my message sent to ben@benstutorial.com forwarded to this Gmail address. Let's open it. As you can see, this is my email message. And this is how to set up email forwarders in SiteGround. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.